Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to track shipping progress on the Temu app. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app and log into your account if you're not already. Then, tap the U icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on your orders. This will display all your recent purchases. Then select the order you want to track. Tap the order you're interested in, then view shipping status. You'll see tracking bar or shipping timeline with order confirmed, packed, shipped, out for delivery, delivered. Tap track for detailed info. Get real-time updates include courier name, tracking number, estimated delivery date, and location updates. Enable notifications so Temu can alert you when your order ships or is out for delivery. You can also copy the tracking number and paste it on the courier's website for even more details. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.